to Radical Academy. In this video, I want to share with you about how you can pass your GCE exam for 2025. Now, to start with, first of all, when you want to pass an exam, it is a very difficult thing to predict passing an exam. Of course, that is what everyone wants, okay? We all want to pass an exam, okay? No one wants to fail an exam. And you know the reason why nobody wants to fail an exam? It is because it is easy to fail an exam. You don't just have to go and write your exam. And because you're not going to go and write the exam, then you're failed, okay? But it is very difficult to predict to pass an exam. And the reason is simple. Because predicting someone passing an exam is the same as predicting somebody becoming successful, okay? So anything that is in the positive direction requires discipline, determination, and of course the focus, and also the affirmation, the idea that you want to pass an exam. Most of us, we are so eager that I really want to pass this exam. When I enter my GCE, I want to pass an exam. But I want to give you some of the tips that can help you pass an exam. The most important thing, one of the most important things that I've been using even up to now is the power of practice. The power of practice. Now, I'll give you the reason why I've said the power of practice. Now, when I finished my grade 12, and that was in 2012, I was at Keto Boys, and when I completed, I had also, of course, this is when also the idea to start this academy, a tuition center academy, that's when the idea was born. And one of the things that kept me, or that that came in my mind, that why should I open a tuition center, was the fact that most of the people, when they go up there to write an exam, they were failing that exam, okay? And I figured out the reason why most people, the majority of the people, why they are failing the exam was because they were not practicing, okay? They were not practicing, okay? And of course, they were not practicing. Not only were they not practicing, and also they were not understanding the key fundamental concept of any particular topic in any subject. And this was, how Radical Academy was born. So the key thing is not how much time, okay? It is not how much time you're going to spend, okay? It is from the time that you have spent, okay? How much have you understood, okay? Have you understood is actually the objective, okay? So if you want to pass exam in 2025, ask yourself, for every single time, for every time that you spend on studying a particular topic from a particular subject, okay, ask yourself, how much have you understood? When I'm studying, I don't spend so much time. All I want is to understand what a particular topic is talking about, or the key concept about anything that I want to know. So it is actually about understanding. That is the most important thing. You have to understand, okay? If you have understood the concept of that particular topic, no matter how the question is going to be phrased, you are going to hammer the question because you have understood the key concept. So if you want to pass the exam, we, the Radical Academy, we also provide online tuitions for the following subject. You have mathematics, we have physics, we have biology, as well as chemistry, and accounts, and also computer studies or computer science. So if you want to pass your 2025 GCE exam, we are here for you for a special and quality online delivery. We provide every key concept, fundamentals that you want to understand, that you never understood while you were at your school, or while you were in grade 12 or 11 and 10, whichever grade. So we know what you're looking for, and we know exactly what you must have in order for you to pass an exam. So this is a Radical Academy, and my name is Mike Wada, the founder of Radical Academy. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share, like, as well as also follow this channel. Thank you so much. Until next time.